Yeah. They're coming out. I wonder why it's not moving. Oh, there we go. Got it? Go. Sit. Yeah, so we're going to have to. So, this morning is roofing time. The idea today is, with the help of my mate, is to put the purlin into a point where we're getting it nice and straight. We know exactly where it's going, right in the middle. And then I've got these two lovely big pieces of timber that are going to be bolted together, possibly, that is going to support the central area of the purlin. This is the purlin, or this is one part of the purlin. This is 1/4 of the purlin, and as you see, it's a big old lump of timber. But I am reliably informed it's got to be strong because there's 2 ton of weight going on here. There's 2 ton of tiles with all the timber and the tiles and everything. So these should be lovely to support the central section. That's the gig for the day. It's not massive amount to do, but it's kind of, if we get this right, everything else should go in sweet. Lift it up.
That might work better. We can get the scaffold a bit closer. Okay.
This one isn't attached to that, so that's it.
Want me to lift it again? Yeah. Lovely.
As you see, we've got the purlin in, doubled up, 150 by 225 that is now. It's really, really heavy duty, which would be lovely because it's only the one going through. What we are going to do, even though we've concreted in the ends, is we're going to put these big steel brackets on the bottom here, like that, to make sure that doesn't go anywhere. So today, even though it's a bit miserable and there's quite a lot of rain in the air, we're going to get some rafters, the bits that go that way, on the roof. And once that's on, then it's onto the felting to make it watertight. I'm glad I've got some help because I'm not the greatest at heights.
Yeah.
And the help I've got is okay with it.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
He's a youngster, isn't he?
He's a little bit of it, yeah.
He hasn't got the fear yet.
No, he's definitely not got that. And I know that, you know, once you've got that, once it does creep in, because when I was a kid, I never had any problems with it at all. And now, you know, I'm absolutely fine on a scaffold tower. I'm absolutely fine when I'm up. It's this sort of thing about walking across timbers And look at me, I'm not the lightest fella in the world, am I? You know, and you know, I've this is I've got my winter coat on. I've got my winter blubber on. I've had that all year round. That's the worst thing. That's the worst thing.
How are you getting on today, baby?
Yeah, it's good. It's very, very windy today, so apologies for that. But what I'm doing at the moment is I'm just cementing in the rafters. So I'm sort of filling the gaps with cement as flat to the rafters. So then when we put the felt on over the top, it'll sort of create, so it's all sort of sealed up so no critters can get in, this in that, and then that obviously secures the rafters as well, they won't move around. And then what we'll do is when that goes off we can cut the ends, get them all nice and flush, and then obviously that'll be ready for the guttering on this end. But then yeah, so the felt goes on, the battens run up at the rafters like that to secure the felt on. And then the counter battens, the battens go across like this to hold the tiles. So we're pretty much getting on. All the rafters are in now, and we're happy with the way they're looking. And it was a bit of a pig to get the one in the end, but I think it's all done. It's just a case of mixing up loads of cement and going down here, finishing off there, do the same on the top. There's quite a lot of stuff to come off the top. There's quite a lot of holes. I can see up there, there's great big gaps in there, so we've got to do some
So it's
strategic.
really just sort of where you've got the gaps like this.
Yeah, so I'm just sort of, I'm toying with the idea with the stone, yeah, taking out all the foliage as well, because that's quite a good thing. So yeah, we've sort of done it. If I just sort of take the camera off you for a minute and just do that, then you can see what we're up to. That's all we're doing, is filling it into the level of the rafter.
It looks good.
Yep.
Cool.
It's, I'm quite enjoying this bit, I have to say.
You're happy with the progress?
Yeah, I'm incredibly happy with the progress. Since we're into sort of the morning of day 3, and this is what we've done. I think it's fabulous. There is an awful lot of clearing up to do, though.
An awful lot.
Yeah, an awful lot of clearing up to do. Yeah, yeah.
Right. So do you want a cup of tea, babe?
Yeah, I'd love one. That'd be lovely. I'll put the water with. Pass it down to me. Right, it's time to put the felt on the roof. So as you see, it's we're almost to the top. The last bit of felt has got to go in, and we will be watertight for a roof. It's kind of amazing, really. This is the third now, 3.5 days in, and so when you think about it, it's probably a total of 5 days. Roofs come off, and new one's on. Once the felt's on, that's it, kind of watertight. So you know the tiles are, the tiles need to go on, but your roof is watertight. We've got the top edge here, as you see, these are not a remedial work. Yeah, it's not so bad up that end, but this end is quite, because there were so many big rocks in it that had to come out and all had to come down. We've got to cement in. concrete in, so they'll be nice and strong.
So we're nearly there, aren't we?
Oh yeah, yeah. We've got a couple of little bits to do, and then them tiles are going to go on.
It's really exciting. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you very much to all of our people, Ed.
Oh, come on.
So we're nearly there.
Just a few little bits, and then the tiles go on.
That's really
exciting times.
So thank you all so much to everybody who's made your donations, people that have brought materials for the rest of the renovation, and those of you that donated towards the tiles. Please don't forget, get your donations in if you want your names up on the tiles that are going on the roof on the next vlog. See you all again soon.
Like, subscribe, hype, comment, and we'll see you again soon.
Take care, everyone.
Bye.